even when you're supposed to be off. You're never off. This is the life of an entrepreneur. Seriously. What's going on, royal family? It is Lay, also known as Little Now Naked. Fuck. Blooper. What's going on, royal family? This is Lay, also known as Luna La Negra. And today is a hell of a special day. It is about almost 8 hours until my birthday. So, as many of my subscribers know, this is probably part 5 or 6 of Natural Lay behind the scenes unpacking orders. And we have some guests in the building because we have our Snap family here. We are making a live snap to showcase behind the scenes work. So we definitely hope to get this all edited soon. So any of my video editors who want to join the team, please let me know. And please send us an email ASAP. b.magical.lay@gmail.com. Anyways, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Our channel is Natural Space Lay. And let's pack some orders, huh?